Handguns have seen tremendous improvements since they were first produced. They're the type of guns made to be operated with only one hand, as opposed to shotguns or rifles that require them to be braced against the shoulder. Single-shot pistols were the earliest handguns to be made, and since then, pistol designs have been greatly improved. We now even have those that hold up to 17 to 20 round magazine capacity. In most parts of the world, handguns have become sidearms for police and military personnel, and in countries that allow personal gun ownership, handguns are used as self-defense weapons. Over time, some handguns have become obsolete, while others aren't all that popular. And in this video, we seek to reveal the top 5 handguns you won't believe exist. So sit up and get a pen and paper even as we reveal these gems to you. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you think, oh, this is the kind of content I want to see. Done that? Okay, then let's begin our revelation. Number 1. Walther PPK. Rounding up our list of top 5 handguns you won't believe actually exist is the Walther PPK. The PPK is one of Walther's handguns, which has its name written in the hearts of the few who have handled it. It was produced after the Walther PP and has a shortened barrel, slide, and frame. The Walther PPK is all steel and chambered in 380 AC. It features a safety lever but no magazine safety, which wouldn't be a problem if you knew how to handle it. A double-action, single-action pistol, the Walther PPK is equipped with a 6+1 round magazine capacity. The blowback design and comfortable and ergonomic grip are such that make maneuvering a breeze. It possesses excellent performance, costing about $320. Noteworthy is that although the Walther PPK is an amazing pistol, nowadays there are even better options from Walther, but that's not to say you'd be doing wrong to own a PPK. It can serve as a sound self-defense pistol. Number 2. Smith & Wesson Model 10. Smith & Wesson is an authority in the firearms industry. They've produced excellent pistols and revolvers over the years, and it's simply impossible to see a list of great handguns without a Smith & Wesson on it. That wouldn't make any sense whatsoever. Once again, a Smith & Wesson is on the list. This time, it's the Smith & Wesson Model 10, an icon in the industry. From the early 1990s, the police and military used the Model 10, which served as a fantastic support to the system. It's a double-action revolver chambered in 38 S&W Special. It's equipped with a standard 6-round magazine and a 2-inch barrel and weighs about 34.6 ounces. It's a revolver with legendary performance, and as always, Smith & Wesson have their best in production, putting its price tag at $879, a really good price for a revolver with such excellent performance and ergonomics. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Sigma SD9VE. When polymer frame pistols began to make waves in the industry, the Sigma SD9VE was Smith & Wesson's first attempt at using synthetic material for gun construction. Constituted of a polymer frame, it's similar to Glock's safe-action pistols in design and operations. The SD9VE is a compact pistol chambered in 9mm and equipped with a 19-round magazine. It weighs 36.5 ounces, and its ergonomic design is close to what we have in modern-day pistols. It comes with a 2-tone finish, dovetail, and Picatinny-style rail. The textured grip feels great to the touch, and oh, it's optics ready with front and rear serration and a well-designed front and back strap. Smith & Wesson's first attempt was no easy shift, but it was certainly worth it. It cost about $399. If you followed this video to this point, a big congrats to you. You're not one of those people with the attention span of a goldfish, so here's a fun fact about handguns for you. Did you know that the Chinese were the first to create gunpowder? The very first handgun ever made was introduced by the Joseon dynasty under the reign of Sejong the Great, and it was called Setong Tong. Handguns have lived for so long now, and we keep seeing significant improvement as time goes on. Give us a supportive thumbs up if this is a good video. We could really use your support. And now, let's move on. Number 4. Ruger Single 6. The Single 6 was one of Ruger's revolvers that was out in the early years. It used coil springs instead of the traditional flat springs that were popular in those days. The first single sixes were chambered in 22 LR, 22 short, 22 long, but we're looking at the 22 LR cartridge single six. It was made to be an extremely durable, strong, and dependable handgun. It had standard 6 rounds and was optics ready with front and rear sights, the rear sight being adjustable for windage and elevation. Made of aluminum alloy grip, they had 3 screws that last through the grip to hold the inner parts in place. From 1956 to 1958, a lightweight version of the single six was made available, featuring an aluminum frame, grip, and cylinder. The Ruger Single Six was quite an appealing revolver, costing $829. Number 5. Ruger P90. The Ruger P Series is a line of centerfire semi-automatic pistols made from 1985 to 2013 by Stern, Ruger & Company. Ruger P90 was designed for military, police, civilian, and recreational use, and for as long as it's remained in production, it was a fantastic handgun. Sadly, its production only lasted for 2 years. The design of the P90 was based on the Browning action found in the M1911 pistol, with just a slight variation in the safety mechanism and barrel cam block interface. The Ruger P90 was Ruger's first attempt at the 45 ACP chambering. It turned out to be a pretty good handgun. It comprises a cast aluminum alloy frame, stainless steel slides, and a 7-round magazine. It was an upgraded version of the P89 with an accuracy level that was above average and cost $489. It came with standard safety and a 45-inch barrel, but the P90 was discontinued in 2013. While it lasted, it was a fantastic handgun that served its purpose, as did all other pistols in the P series. Well guys, that's it. The top 5 handguns that have existed since the early 1900s. What do you think about these handguns? Have you had the opportunity to try out one of these? Kindly share your opinion with us in the comments below and let us know if there are any handguns you think deserve more spotlight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates just like this. Click on the notification button below to be the first person to be notified when we post subsequent videos. We have some really good content that we're sure you'll enjoy, so do check them out. With that being said, thanks for watching guys, bye for now, and see you in the next video.